Girl, why? Like, I'm trying to move my freaking take profit up or whatever, right, to the next zone, and my computer freaking mouse, like, freaking froze on me right when I was moving it, and it damn knocked me out the trade. And I was like, I'm not getting back in this damn trade, girl. Let me just be grateful and stop being goddamn greedy.
Do you have brain fog, frustrated and confused while looking at the market? As a trader, mental clarity and being focused is imperative. And if you are also running low on energy, this can hinder your trading journey. And if you're looking for a natural alternative, our Flare Energy capsules may help keep your energy running high and give you that edge you need while looking at the charts. Ready to try? Click the link in the description. Hey guys, so I just got the alert on my phone, and so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to pull up my trading view in a few. But when I say like this is the easiest way to trade, this is the easiest way to trade. I got the alert that it hit my 50, right? We already know that GU is still going in the uptrend, right? So last night when I got into this trade, I got in right here. And I took it to right here, okay? And I put in 3 trades. So I closed out a little early, but if I would have stayed in the trade, I would have gone negative like 20 pips, but then I would have caught at least like, 80 pips. So basically this just depends on, the goals that you have. Now I only go for 20 pips, but what I do is when my trade is in profit, I'll just go ahead and put my stop loss in profit, right? So let's go ahead and check the news real quick. And the news for the US already happened at 10 o'clock. The next news brief comes out at 5 o'clock. So what you need to do, y'all take a shot every time I say so. Let me know in the comments how many times you hear me say so. Anyway, what you need to do is have the 50 EMA, the 50 exponential moving average on your chart, whether you use TradingView or MT4. And what I'm waiting for right now is it's about 7 minutes left in this candle. I am trying to wait for the candle to close, and then that's going to determine whether or not I enter the trade at this moment. And then what I also do is I'll go down to the 1 minute just to kind of see who has more strength in the market. I use the 1 minute just for precise entries or if I'm scalping. And right now you can kind of see that the stochastic is still moving down. It hasn't turned yet. So at this moment, it's like you could get in, but you want to wait until the candle closes, or you want to wait until you get that stochastic confirmation, and that'll help you get better entries, and that'll also help you if you are trying to scalp the market. Okay, guys, so I decided to just get in, and so what I'm going to do now is just move my take profit to right here, and this is 23 pips. This is basically how I trade. So normally when you put your stop loss, you will put your stop loss at the lowest that it has been. So whatever you feel comfortable losing, that's where you put your stop loss. But normally you will put it either right here or right here. Okay, now if you put it down here, it really doesn't make any sense to risk 70 pips to gain 20. So if you put it right here, you're risking 16 pips or 23. Okay, so you just want to make sure that you put your stop loss in the right place, but you want to make sure that you feel comfortable with that stop loss. So we'll go ahead and just let this trade run, and I'll come back.
Okay, so I just came back to my computer. I've been just doing some stuff and just haven't really been paying attention. So right now it is 21 pips in profit, and I have it set at 23. So because I have two entries open, that's why it says 21.3. So basically just put that in half and that's how many pips it is. But because I do have two orders, it's going to count like both orders. All right. So as you guys know, I got in right here, right? And we experienced a little bit of drawdown, about 15 pips of drawdown. Okay. But with drawdown, it gave me another opportunity to get in, right? Down here on the 1 minute chart, when the 10 and the 50 crossed up, and then it was at this support level right here. When it touched it right here, you could have got in on this next candle, and you could have got in right there. And then that would have gave you at least, like, depending on where your take profit is, you could get 10 more pips, depending on if you are going from sweet spot to sweet spot or if you're just following the 20 pip plan. So now what I'm going to do is just double check by, I am going to check. Okay. I am going to this. I am just taking it right here to this. So I am going to just take this trade to this area right here. What I might do is just put my stop loss. If it continues to go to R1, then I'll put my stop loss in profit and just let it ride, or close one trade and then let the other one continue. But the only reason why I say that is because it has stopped here before. And you guys know that history repeats itself. So if it stops right here again, I mean, it won't matter because I'll already have like the pips that I need. So we will see what happens with this trade. But y'all, this is like one of the easiest ways to get into the market. So all you do is, if you haven't seen my other video, go ahead and watch that. But what you are going to do is, and y'all, I marked my charts up, and I have not changed this chart since the last time that I marked it up. All I do is just add more zones. Like I don't, like, because I only trade one pair. So if you only trade one pair, then you won't have to like keep changing your markups or anything like that. All right. So this zone right here, this whole area is a daily zone, okay, from the past. So this area has been, so price has been in this area constantly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's possible that it could keep going up and break out, or it could just go back down. So I just leave my markups the same and just add to it. All right. And this is the daily. So all I do is, I'm going to show y'all what I do, but I'm going to go to a different pair.
this is what I do. I go to the line chart. I look and see, all right, where has price been? I'll take my rectangle, and wherever price has been more than once, I'll put a box. And I know that this is my daily zone because it is pink. And then if I just wanted to put like some if I wanted to just, mark up some smaller areas, I can do that as well with this. So that way I just kind of know, like, all right, look out for that as well, okay? And then I'll go down to the 4 hour. And I'll see, okay, well, do I need to mark up anything on the 4 hour? Most of the time, like the 4 hour in the daily zone kind of like look the same as far as like support and resistance, as you can see right here. Resistance, resistance, resistance right here, So if I wanted to like mark this part right here, I could do that and then just mark it as 4 hour. And then if I wanted to put one like right here, and right there. Okay. So then all I do now is I'll go down to the 1 hour. So you guys know I enter on the 1 minute, but I'll go ahead and change these to candles. But I look at the direction as far as like the overall direction is on the daily chart, but then I'm looking at what the hour is doing, okay? So you guys set the alert. You will set the alert, create an alert, right? You have it where every time, and you'll do once per bar, every time price crosses the 50 EMA, you will get an alert. It goes based on the time frame that you have the chart on. This is the 1 hour chart. So every time price crosses the 50 or touches the 50, you are going to get an alert, okay? And then you hit create. And that's it. Your chart is already marked up for the week. The only thing you are doing is waiting for the alert to happen so you can get in the trade. Now, I have my alert set on the 15 minute just so I can try to get in a little bit earlier. But as you guys can see, price hit the 50. This is an uptrend. Price hit the 50, you get in. If you would have got in too early, it's possible that if you would have got in right here, which I don't know why you would have got in right here if the candle closed below. You want to wait until the candle closes above if you are looking for a buy. So if you would have gotten in right here, you would have been in drawdown like 10 pips, but you would have gotten your 20 pips, okay? For any reason, if you would have gotten in right here, then you would have been in drawdown like 25 pips. But if you would have stayed in the trade, you definitely could have took it all the way up to the daily zone. Okay, so this just basically depends on how you trade, how many pips you're going for, what your trading plan is. My trading plan is 20 pips. So once I hit my 20 pips, I'm done for the day. In the future, I do plan on holding trades a little bit longer, as far as like, entering a trade on Monday and probably exiting, so I can catch the whole move. But at this moment, I'm just getting in, getting out, and going about my day. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. And let's see what this trade is doing. Still in profit. So we will keep you updated on how this trade is doing.
Okay, so the market was moving kind of funny, and I'm still in this trade from earlier, but I wanted to show you guys something. Y'all see this? News is about to happen in 30 minutes. So if you don't have your stop loss set when news hits, it's very possible that things can go in the wrong direction. Okay? So this is where this trade is at right now. And I'm just waiting for it to, close out. But whenever you see red folders, you want to make sure that you have a stop, regardless of whatever time you're trading. It doesn't matter. You always need to have a stop loss. But red folders, you need to have your stop loss in profit. Okay, y'all, so news is happening in about 2 minutes. So, let me do this real quick. Just in case. Okay, just in case it moves like really fast. Yo, y'all saw that happen so damn fast. So I couldn't, yeah, I couldn't even move it the way I wanted to. Alright, y'all, let me stop being greedy for real, for real. Let me just get out this trade because I've already like hit my goal. So let me stop playing. But alright, so it closed out 2 of my trades, so I'm only in 1 trade right now, right? So let me go back down to the 1 minute. Alright. Alright, so where did I move this to? What's this? 40 pips. Okay, I'm gonna bring this back down. Right there. Anyway, I just wanted to let you guys know. So this is basically the strategy that I use. And this is how I decide to get in and out of the market. And then that was, I wouldn't say that's how to trade news. I would just say that's how to protect your losses if you're already in a that's how to protect your wins if you're already in a trade and news is about to happen. And basically news just pushes the market where it's supposed to go, just faster. So I've already hit my goal for today, and let's just go back down to the 1 minute. Y'all see that? Whoosh. Whoosh. But yeah, so at this point, that is how I trade, and that is how I trade using the 50 EMA and combining it with the sweet spots. You trade spot to spot, and in between each spot is 25 pips. So you can go from here to here, here to here. That's 25 pips. You guys follow the 20 pips and dip, and you'll be fine. And like I said, let me stop being greedy, but I really want to see, you know, y'all know when pound news happen, like the trade, like honestly, it can really go like 80 pips. Shit, y'all saw me trying to move it and my computer went act stupid. Now I'm mad. Y'all, I'm pissed. Y'all, I know y'all saw me trying to move. I know y'all saw me trying to move by take profit. That is how I use the 50 exponential moving average, and that's how I can get into the trades. And that is how I use TradingView combined with sweet spots. And honestly, it's just like you go zone to zone, 20, 25 pips, get your pips, get out of the market, and you're done. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And if you want to join the team, that will be in the description. And see you guys in my next video. And I hope this was helpful. If there is anything else you guys want to see, then put that in the comments below as well. Bye guys.